iPhone Bluetooth not working fix. So if your iPhone's Bluetooth is basically not working, it's actually quite simple to fix it. Now first of all, you can just make sure that you turn on your Bluetooth and then turn it off back on again and go to Bluetooth settings here. Now you can just try to repair a particular device, right? So if you're trying to repair one of your old devices, do not do that. Go to other devices and make sure that device is showing up and select that particular device, and then you'll be able to connect to that by just tapping on the pair option over there, right? And once done, you'll be able to pair with it. Now if this is not working for you, what you can try to do is go to General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then go to Reset, then just select Reset All Settings, and once you reset all the settings, that should definitely help you solve the problem. So this way you should be able to fix if the Bluetooth is not working on your iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.